Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with gift cards. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner and tap it. Next, select Debit or Credit Card, and then choose Add Other Card. You'll then be guided to either scan your physical gift card or manually input its information. This simple process takes just a few moments, securely adding your gift card to your digital wallet for future use. Using your gift card in a store with Apple Pay is incredibly convenient. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone to bring up your cards. Swipe to find and select the gift card you wish to use for your purchase. Then, hold the top of your iPhone close to the contactless payment terminal. A quick authentication with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode will securely complete your transaction in just a few seconds. For online shopping or in-app purchases, using your gift card with Apple Pay is just as easy. When you reach the checkout, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it, and then you'll be able to select your gift card from your stored payment methods. Confirm your purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for a secure and swift checkout experience. Remember to always verify that the merchant supports Apple Pay for gift card payments. Here are some important tips and troubleshooting advice. Not every gift card works with Apple Pay, so always check with the card issuer first. Make sure your iPhone software is up to date for the best performance. If a payment doesn't go through, verify your gift card has sufficient funds and that the store accepts Apple Pay. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to the gift card issuer or Apple support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.